This conference will now be recorded.
I'm trying to log in into the Salesforce. What is the URL to log in into the Salesforce? That is called trailer version. Suppose we want to log in into the trailer version. What is the URL? Login.salesforce.com. Okay, login.salesforce.com, and you have to enter your username and password. Then it will redirecting into the lightning version. Okay, here it is redirect to the classic version, but actually it will redirecting into the lightning version. This is the lightning version. This is the lightning version. Okay, now I am trying to creating one custom object based on my requirement. I am trying to creating one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company. My custom object name is nothing but company. Okay, this is a company. And while creating a custom object, we will create one standard field, right? We will create one field, right? That field name as our wish. Here I am just putting like company name. Here I am just adding company name. I am trying to creating one custom object based on my requirement. My custom object name is nothing but company. While creating a custom object, we should create one field. That field name should be anything. Here I am just adding my field name as a company name. Now go to here. I am on this page. I am on this page. Now we want to create a custom object. Now we want to create a custom object. What is the navigation is nothing but go to setup. Go to setup. Always go to the setup. Suppose we want to work with the object. Always go to the setup. Click on the setup. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Here we have three tabs are there. Setup is one tab, home is one tab, beside that object manager is another tab. Click on the object manager. Click on the object manager. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Here we have create is one button is there. Click on this create button. When you click on the create button, two options are there. We have to go with the first option. Click on the custom object. Click on the custom object. Now I am trying to creating one custom object. What is my custom object name? My custom object name is nothing but company. While creating a custom object, whatever we are providing the label, right? The same name here it will come as object name, right? So what is the purpose of the object name? Based on this object name, the system it will generate an API name that is nothing but company underscore underscore C. The system it will generate an API that is nothing but company underscore underscore C. Now coming into here, I'm just providing the plural label as yes. At the end of the label, I'm just providing yes. Is it mandatory? Means it is not mandatory. We can provide any name also, it doesn't matter. We can provide any name also, it doesn't matter. But we are following Salesforce naming conversion. So I am trying to creating an object. My object name is nothing but company, and while creating an object, I am also creating one tab. My tab name is nothing but companies. My tab name is nothing but companies. And here the object name is nothing but system automatically generate an API name. Now scroll down here. Here the record name is nothing but this is the first field. I am trying to creating one object, right? In this object, we are trying to creating a field. That field name is anything. The field name is anything. It should not be like a company name only always. It is not like any name. Any name, it doesn't matter. Based on our requirement, we will also edit this name. Okay, here the data type is nothing but a text. Now scroll down here. Scroll down. I'm just making this checkbox as a true. I'm just making this checkbox as a true. So why we are making this checkbox as a true means I am creating one tab. For this object, I am trying to creating one tab. That tab name is nothing but this one. Then click on the save button. Okay, click on the save button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Go and select any color. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Go and select any color. The tab style, we will just go and select any color. It doesn't matter. There is no logic also. Then click on the next button. Click on the next. Profile, it's related to the security. We will discuss going forward. Here for each and every screen there is a separate concept we will discuss. Then click on the next. Here custom app, this is also a separate concept we will discuss going forward. Finally try to save this one. So finally we created one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company. My tab name is nothing but companies. API name is nothing but company underscore underscore C. Okay. And the next one is suppose we want to create some other fields. Suppose I want to create a fields, go to fields and relationship sections, go to fields and relationship sections. So just now we created one field, right? That is nothing but company name. In addition to that, Salesforce system provided, created by, last modified by owner, some other fields it is provided. Suppose if you want to create any fields, yes, you will just go to the fields and relationship sections. Here we will just go and create email and phone number, any fields, it doesn't matter. Here I am trying to creating only two fields, that is nothing but email and phone number. Go to fields and relationship sections, click on this new button, click on this new button. While creating a field, we will select a data type, right? Here I am trying to creating a email field, right? That's why I'm trying to selecting the data type as a email only. Then click on the next button, click on the next button. What is your email? Any name, it doesn't matter. Field name, field label we discussed, field name also we discussed, remaining thing, help text required, everything we discussed. Then click on the next button, click on the next, and this is related to the security we will discuss, and click on the next. And this is page layout concept we will discuss going forward. Finally try to save this one. So we created one custom field. My custom field name is nothing but email, API name is nothing but email underscore underscore c, data type is nothing but email. Now I am trying to creating one more field. My field name is nothing but phone. Click on this new button, and the data type is nothing but phone, data type is nothing but phone we are trying to selecting. Click on the next button. What is the field label? Phone, and the API name is also phone underscore underscore c. Click on the next button, click on the next button, click on next. Finally try to save this one, finally try to save this one. So my object is ready, my object is ready. Now I want to create records in this company object. Now we want to create records in this company object. Why we have to create records? Any object why we are creating, any table why we will create, to store the data only, right? So here also we are trying to creating one company object. What is the purpose? Means I want to store company details. So how to store that company details? That is nothing but go to the tab. How to go to the tab? Go to the app launcher. See, this is the app launcher. Suppose we want to work with the data or records or tabs, always go to the app launcher. What is our tab name? What is our tab name? Companies, right? Companies. See, this is our tab name. This is our tab name. Click on this companies. Click on the companies. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Here we have one new button is there, right? New button is there. Forget about the import and change owner. It's not required. Coming into here, click on this new button. When you will click on this new button, see here, company name, this field, whenever we are creating an object, that time this field came into picture. In addition to that, we created email and phone number. Salesforce system provided owner and currency fields. Owner and currency fields. If you want to create any records, go to here. You will just go and create ABC and provide all the details, and phone number. Click on the save button. So we created one record. Okay, we created one record. Like that we will just go and create any number of records, it doesn't matter. Any number of records, it doesn't matter. So our object is ready. One record we created in company object, we created by using tab, we created one record in the company object. Up to now, any question? There is no new concept. In the previous session we discussed all these things. There is no new concept. You have any questions, let me know. Okay. Okay, now I will just go and create one more object. My object name is nothing but employee object. See here, I am trying to creating one more object. My object name is nothing but employee. While creating, we will get employee. I mean, while creating, we should create one field, right? This time, I will create one field that is nothing but employee number. Employee number. So I am trying to creating one more object. While creating a object, we will get one field, right? That field name I am just making it as a employee number, and the data type is nothing but auto number we will see. Okay, now go to here. I am on this space. I want to create a custom object, new custom object. How to create a new custom object? Go to setup, click on the setup, click on the setup. Now go to object manager, click on the object manager, click on the object manager. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Go to create, click on the create, click on custom object. Now I am trying to creating my custom object. Okay, I'm trying to creating a custom object. My custom object name is nothing but employee, and the plural label is nothing but employees. This is nothing but a tab name. This is nothing but a tab name. Now scroll down here. Your record name is there, right? Record name is nothing but this is the first field in this object. Salesforce say that you are trying to creating an object. While creating object, you should create one field. You should create one field. That field name is this one. If you want, you will just go and edit this one. If you want, you will just go and edit this one. Number, I'm just making it as a number. And here instead of data type text, I'm just selecting auto number. Auto number means automatically the system it will generate a number. Auto number, automatically the system it will generate a number. Yes, while generating a number, the system it is asking on which format we want to generate your number. Whenever I am trying to creating a record for employee number, no need to create any data. The system only automatically generate a number. So the system it is asking on which format you want this number. I am saying in this format. In this format, okay, in this format. In the real time, the client will provide that information. Okay, in the real time, the client will provide the information whenever we are trying to creating a field, and that is nothing but auto number.
Yeah,
Sorry,
Ramesh.
voice is, yeah, yes, 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 Shiva,
If you like see data type, you are selecting as auto number, right?
yes.
So like if what if my employee number is combination of alphabets and for number?
Alphabets and a number. Okay, then in this case we have to select the text only. Okay, so alphabets and numbers in the sense means employee like this. You want which format you want, alphabetical in the sense.
No, see the number. See number maybe it's a combination of some alphabets and continued by a number. See,
Yes, yes, we will get the
yeah,
same format. Just
yeah.
I will create, then we will discuss. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay, here display format is nothing but I'm just providing like EMP, and this is my format, and what is the starting number. We will discuss. First we will create this field, and I will go to the tab level. I will create a record. Then you have any questions, we will discuss. Okay, I'm just providing the starting number as a 001. Just observe here, my record name, my field name is nothing but employee number. I'm selecting the data type as a auto number. Auto number is nothing but automatically the system it should generate a number. Yes, on which format you want the number. On which format you want a number. My format is nothing but employee in this format. And what is the starting number means 0001. Just observe, just remember the format I selected EMP, and the starting number is nothing but 001. Okay, now go to here. I'm just making this one as a tab. Check this particular checkbox. I'm just making this one as a tab. Finally try to save this one. Finally try to save this one. Okay, now you will just go to here, and you will select any color. There is no logic here. Then click on next button, and profile is related to the security. Click on next, and finally try to save this one. Finally try to save this one. Now go to, see here, this is details. Details means what is your object name, what is your tab name, what is the object API name, what is the object API name. Now coming into fields and relationship section, here you have to observe employee number. Just now we created, the API name is always name only. For the first field, the API name is always name only. And here the data type is nothing but auto number. Data type is nothing but auto number. Now we want to create record in employee tab. How to create a record? Go to employee tab. Go to here, see here, and go to app launcher. You have to type it as employee. Click on the employees. Click on the employees. This is my employee tab. Here you have new button is there. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. See here, employee number, it is not coming. It is not providing any editable format. This is called read only format. This is not editable format. Means the system only automatically it will generate. So what I'm trying to say is, I'm trying to creating a object. While creating a object, the first field we selected as a auto number, and the name as a employee number. Now coming into the front end. Front end is nothing but a tab. Click on this new button, employee number. There is no option to provide the name. Click on the save button. The system automatically generate a number. Here you have to observe which format it is generating. Employee this format only, right? We provided employee and what is the starting number 001, right? For example, I will go to here and click on this new button. Suppose we want to create one more record, the system automatically increase that number. See here, automatically the system it is increasing this number, right? So which format it is generating? Again, go to here, edit object, go to here, edit object, and go to these fields, employee number, this is auto number, right? This is auto number. See which format we provided, emp, right? See this, like that only here it is giving, right, emp, right? And here this starting number I provided like 0001, right? So that's why for first record one, second record automatically it is generating two. Suppose I will just go and create one more record, then the system automatically generating three. So which format it is generating? emp. Why it is giving emp? While creating a field, I provided one format, that format is nothing but emp. And what is the starting number I provided? 001. That's why the system generated the record from 001, automatically increase the number. That's why this is called auto number. Any questions on this one?
I
Any
have a
questions?
question. I have a question here. The employee number that we gave in, should we, can this, for example, if I don't want to have the hyphen in it, would it accept that? Like,
Yeah,
okay,
you have to go to that field. Okay, while
okay,
creating the field, you have to change the format.
okay. And when I'm just giving the number, should I need to give in the brackets? Like the curly braces that you have given 003, what is the starting number? Should I need to give the braces, the curly brackets for that?
Yeah, we will go to that and we will verify that. Okay, it's
Sure.
not mandatory, but we will go and verify. Go to edit object. I'm going into the object. Okay, go to fields and relationship sections and employee number, right? Click on this employee number. See, there is no options right here. There is no option to edit. It is not showing any edit option right here. So this is auto number, right? For auto numbers, we have to go to the classic version. Okay, go to here. Okay, some drawbacks in the lightning version, we have to switch into the light into the classic version. So classic version we will discuss, not yet discussed. For this field, I am trying to editing this format. I don't want this bracket and all those things. So I am going into this particular field, I am trying to changing, but there is no option in the lightning version. There is no option in the lightning version. We have to switch into the classic version. Switch to Salesforce classic. Switch to Salesforce classic. Now here our tab is nothing but employees, right? We will discuss in the classic version. Here is there employees. Click on this one. Click on this one. Now we want to go to the fields. Go to here view fields. This expand symbol is there. This expand symbol we will discuss that. Now go to here. This is the classic version. This is the classic version. Don't concentrate more on the classic version. We have to concentrate on the lightning version only. Click on this edit button. Click on this edit button. See here, click on this edit button. Okay, a data type is there, right? Auto number, right? A display format is there, right? emp is there, right? Suppose if you want, you will just go and remove this one. Let's see. Okay, let's see, is it mandatory or not? Finally try to save this one. Must include sequence number substitution variable. Okay, okay, already we created some record, right? One second. For example, I will, one second, I will just go and delete this record. Already some records are created, right? Now go to here. We are trying to changing. I'm just changing to some other value. Display format. Try to save this one. Forget about this one. Zero. Try to save this one. Must include sequence number substitution variable. Okay. I think it is while creating the object only we have to do the changes whatever you said, right? No need to provide curly braces and all those things while creating an object. Once you created an object, the system it is not accepting. Okay.
Got it. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say, what's he asking is, so shall we, is it mandatory to give curly braces while creating this field? Is it mandatory? Means it's not mandatory, I think. So it is not mandatory. Okay. While creating itself, while creating the object, that time we will create a field, right? That time only we have to remove. I think it's not mandatory. Okay. It's not mandatory. Now coming into here. Any other
Right.
questions?
Ramesh, how about the data type? Like if we forget to give data type as auto number,
Yeah.
we forgot to we have given it as text.
Okay.
Okay,
So
but
then,
now after creating some records, so
okay,
maybe
okay.
some 100 records I have made, but
Mm,
all of the sudden instead of text it should be like auto number.
okay. Go to here, we will verify that scenario. Okay. Go to fields and relationship sections. For example, I will just go and create one text field. Okay. Go to here. I am trying to creating a text field. Okay. Text field. Here we have an option. You are saying while creating an object only, right? Okay, go to here, edit, edit. Now go to here, text. Okay, while creating an object, you just make this field as a text field. Okay, after that you decided you have to make this one as a auto number, but some records are created, so in that case what we will do is the system it will accept, but whatever the existing records are there, right? Whatever the existing record, the system it will not create any auto number, the system it will not create any auto number. So once you make this one as a data type as auto number, right? Once you make this one data type as auto number, after that you created the record, right? From that the system it will create like 001. Okay, got it?
Yeah, Ramesh.
Yeah. What here the question is,
Since
while, yeah, here
Sorry,
I will
since
explain.
oh,
Yeah,
I
yes,
have
please,
only
please,
one
yes,
question.
please, please.
Since it's an auto number, it should be a unique value, right? So,
Yes.
how come when we are trying to change a data type from a text to auto number, obviously the new records it will just get created and that will be an unique number, but already existing record will not get updated, is it?
Yes, already
And
existing number it will not get updated, but there is some option for the existing record. Okay,
Mhm.
and there is some option. 1 second, we will just go and verify that. Okay, I will just go and create one object. Okay, let's see. Go to here, setup. I am trying to creating one object. Go to object manager. Click on this custom object and test employee, test employee, and test employees. And now go to here, I'm just making this one as a text field only. I'm just making this one as a tab. Finally try to save this one. Okay, and choose the tab style, choose that, click on next, and click on next. Finally try to save this one. So we created one test employee object, right? Okay, now coming into here app launcher, I'm trying to creating tab. Go to here, test employees, click on this one. I'm trying to creating new record. Go to here, test, try to save this one. I will just go and create one more record. Go to here, test 2. Finally try to save this one. Two records we created. Now I'm just going into the object level. Go to edit object. Okay, go to edit object. Okay, now go to details, not fields and relationship sections. Go to details only. Edit is there, right? Click on this edit. Click on this edit. Okay, now you are saying I will just make this one as a auto number. See, let's see what it will happen. A AB underscore, and my starting number is 0001, and click on the save button. Let's see what it will happen. See, it is accepted, right? Then what happened to the existing record? Let's see. Go to your test employees, click on test 2, and click on this edit button. See, here it is I mean whatever the previous value, the same value here it is taking. For example, I will just go to here, click on this new button. See here, test. 1 second, it is not reflected, I think. Go to edit, go to edit option, auto number, right? Now go to here. Let's see, it is not reflected. So we it is accepted. Initially we are giving as a text. And after that we created some records. After that we go through the object level and we change the data type to the auto number. Now I am going into the tab level. Refresh this one. Go to the tab, It is not refreshed. Go to the tab. Let's see what it will happen. Test employees and click on this new button. Let's see what it will happen. Okay, I'm trying to creating. See, click on the save button. Test name automatically taking 001 only, right, for new record. What about the existing record? Go to here. See, for the existing record it is taking the same value. Now got it? Any questions on this one?
Got it. So the number that we are just giving after the starting number that we are giving, right? First it was trying to ask what is the number format, and next one that it is asking the starting number, correct? So
Starting
for
number.
example, yeah, for example, if I'm just giving the whatever the field the auto generation number is as employee EMP 000 zeros, and if I'm just giving the starting number as 100, it it does work, right? And also
Yeah,
it
it does.
will work in a, also it will it work in a vice versa? Like say for example, if I give an employee 100, probably the employee EMP 000 zeros, but my starting number is 10,000, would it accept it?
Yeah, it will accept.
Okay.
Okay, so here you have to remember this scenario. This is a valid scenario. So while creating an object, forget about our concept. We just created two objects, forget about this one. This is valid scenario. Whatever we discuss, we created one custom object. While creating a custom object, we created one field. That field is nothing but a text field. Okay, now I'm coming into here. I'm trying to coming into here. We created we created records, 100 records or any number of records, it doesn't matter. So after that my client asked, whatever the standard field is there, right, that field you have to change into the auto number. So auto, yes, we changed. So whenever you once you changed and again you are coming into here, click on this new button, that time the system it will take the first number. Okay, then what about the existing record is nothing but for the existing record, whatever the name is there, right, the system it will take the same name only. The system it will take the same name only. This is a valid scenario. Okay, any questions on this one? Any questions? Okay.
Ramesh garu,
Yeah.
I had a small doubt.
Yes.
After creation of object, we have created tab. In the
Mhm.
tab, I have entered 10 records
Mm,
with auto number.
mm.
For example, I have deleted the file record 5.
Okay.
It will be reflected to remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be there, no?
Mm.
Is it will be reflected or else it will be same remains? It will be
From 11th only it will take. From 11th only it will take. Okay. Your question is you created 10 records, fifth record you deleted. What happens?
yeah,
Suppose again I will go and create one more record, new record. 11th record
yeah.
only it will take. Okay. 11th record. So yeah. Okay, now coming into our concept. Our concept is we created one company object, and after that we created one employee object. While creating an employee object, employee number is a auto number. In addition to that, you will just go and create any number of fields like first name, last name, mother name, father name, any number of fields you will just go and create. I will just go and create one field that is nothing but first name. I will just go and create one field that is nothing but first name. Okay, go to here, fields and relationship sections, and click on this new button. Now go to here. My field is nothing but a text. Any number of fields we will create. Here I am trying to creating only one field that is nothing but first name, and the data type is nothing but text. Length is maximum length is 25. Click on the next. Okay, click on next. Finally, try to save this one. So we created one field. My field is nothing but first name. I will create one more field that is nothing but last name. Go to here, click on this new button. Text, text. Click on next. And here last name, and the maximum length is nothing but 25. And click on next. Click on next, and the next one is click on next, and finally try to save this one. So we created two custom fields here. There is no new concept up to now. Okay, there is no new concept up to now. We created employee object, we created company object. In employee object we created first name and last name. Okay, now My requirement is, here our concept it will start. My concept is, I want to link these two objects. We want to link these two objects. Okay, we want to link these two objects. Okay, linking is nothing but connection. We want to connect these two objects. That connection, technically we will use one word, that is nothing but relationship. We have to make relationship between these two objects, or we have to connect these two objects. Okay, we have to connect these two objects, or we have to link these two objects. How to link these two objects? How to link these two objects? We have these two objects are there. Now I want to link, or I want to make a relationship. How to make a relationship? So while making a relationship, first we have to decide which is a parent and which is a child. Which is a parent and which is a child? My requirement is, company is a parent, company is a parent, and employee is nothing but a child. Before making a relationship, or before linking these two objects, we have to decide which object is a parent and which object is a child. So here, based on my requirement, employee object is a child object and company object is a parent object. Okay, company object is a parent object and employee is a child object. Now we are clear, right? So we decided employee is a child object and company is a parent object. Now always go to the child object. Suppose we want to make a relationship, always go to the child object. So go to the employee object. This is my employee object, right? Now go to here, click on this new button. Click on this new button. While creating a field, we will select a data type, right? Here, coming into the data type, lookup relationship is there, master detail relationship is there. Forget about this external lookup relationship. Now I am trying to selecting lookup relationship. Why you are selecting lookup relationship? Why you will not select master detail relationship means we will discuss. So our requirement is, we want to link these two objects. While linking these two objects, one object is a parent and another object is a child. That we have to decide. Based on our requirement, we have to decide. Here we decided company is a parent and employee is a child. Now what we have to do is, always go to the child object. Don't get confused from where we have to make a relationship. Always go to the child object. Now I am going into the child object. Go to fields and relationship sections. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Now you have to select the data type as a lookup relationship. We will discuss about master detail relationship. Forget about this one. Select lookup relationship. Then click on the next button. Click on the next button. So then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Related to means it will show all the objects, whether it is a standard object or custom object in our instance, in our sandbox. How many objects are there? It will show all the objects. So which object you are trying to linking? So from employee, with which object you are trying to linking? I am trying to linking with the company object, right? Go to here, company. See, I'm trying to linking with the company object, right? So then click on the next button. Click on the next button. Here automatically the field label, here it will come with the parent object name only. The third step, automatically it will come the label name as a company. Company is nothing but parent name only. Here it will come as a parent name. Okay, you have to keep this one same like the parent name, or if you want you will just go and change it. If you want you will just go and change it. If you want you will just go and change it. The first step is, we selected the data type, that is nothing but lookup relationship. The second step is, with which object we are connecting, means what is the parent object. We selected the company object. Yes, the third one is, we are connecting. Connecting means some connection should be there. What is that connection? That connection is nothing but, here is field only. Yes, what is that field name? That field name I am just making it as a company only. That is nothing but parent name only. I'm just giving as a parent name. Is it mandatory to give the relationship name as a parent name? Means it is not mandatory, but generally we will give the relationship name as a parent name. Okay, then click on the next button. Click on the next. And field level security for profile, this is a separate concept, we'll discuss. Then click on the next. And this is a page layout, this is also a separate concept, we'll discuss. Then click on the next button. Here we will get one extra screen. Whenever we are making a relationship, that is nothing but lookup relationship or master detail relationship, we will get one extra screen, that is nothing but related list. See here, this is nothing but related list screen. So what is this related list? Where is this related list means we will discuss. I'm taking the screenshot, then we will discuss. Okay. I'm taking the screenshot. We will discuss this. So one extra screen we will get. Whenever we are creating a relationship, we will get one extra screen. Here you have to observe the related list. Just remember the terminology, related list. Okay. Then click on the save button. Okay. Click on the save button. Now go to fields and relationship sections here. We created one field, right? Company. And what is the API name? Company underscore underscore C, right? What is the data type here? Lookup relationship, right? Lookup means with which object it is maintaining. I mean, which object is a parent object? Company is a parent object. Company is a parent object. Now go to the tab. Go to the employee tab. I am trying to going into the employee tab. Go to here, employees. Click on the employees. Click on the employee tab and click on this new button. Click on this new button. See here you have to observe company is there, right? This is called lookup icon, right? Whenever you will click on this company, it will show all the company records. All the company records here it will show. For example, I will go to here. Okay, I will go to my go to here company. Okay, just now we created one company, right? Go to here companies and click on this new button. I am trying to creating one company that is nothing but Google and email at google.com, and the next one is phone number. This is my one company record. This is my one company record. Go to here. How many company records are there? Google is one company record, ABC is one company record. Now what is my next step? My next step is I want to go and create one employee. See, go to here, employees, click on this employees, click on this employees, click on this new button, click on this new button. See, what is your first name? First name is anything, test, last name is test, company is nothing but here this is called the lookup icon. We will call it as a lookup icon. Click on this one means it will show all the company records. How many company records are there? Company is another object. It will show all the company record. I am trying to selecting as a Google. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. So this is my employee record. This is my employee record, right? Now go to your company. Click on this company. This is my company record, right? Go to related. Here you have to observe. This is a parent record. This is a parent record. For that parent record, this is a child. So just now we created one employee, right? That is nothing but this is employee record. So up to now what we did? Up to now what we did? One second. Again, I will create that lookup relationship field. Just so here we created one company, right? One company object we created, right? And after that, what we did? We created one employee object we created, right? Employee object we created, right? So after that, what we did? So these are separate object. Now my requirement is I want to connect. Connect in the sense means employee is a child and company is a parent. Employee is a child and company is a parent. Go to the employee object. You will just go and create one lookup field. We'll just go and create one lookup field here. Okay, lookup field to the company. Then we are making a relationship. Here company is a parent and employee is a child. Then what we are doing? Go to the company object. See, go to your company and click on this new button. So you will just go and create any company like Infosys and click on the save button. This is the company record. This is a parent record. Now go to related tab is there, right? Beside that related tab is there, right? Click on this related tab. See, there is no child records for this one. There is no child record. Suppose if you want, you will just go and create a child record from here. Otherwise you will just go and create from employee tab. Both options are there. Both options are there. You will just go and create. This is a parent. This is a parent. So this is a parent. For this parent, employee is a child. Child means technically we will call it as a related list. Now I want to create one employee record means you will just go to here, click on this new button. Click on this new button. Automatically the company is coming as Infosys. Okay, then enter details and click on the save button. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. Okay, so this is one way. Suppose you want to create. Now go to here, employees. Click on employees. Click on this new button. Enter some details. You will just go and select the company. Go to here, Google. See, try to save this one. This is employee. For this employee, which is the parent, company is a parent. Click on this Google. This is a Google, and what is a related list? Related list is nothing but two employees are there. Two employees are there. I will show in classic version. If you have any confusion, it will avoid. I will show in the classic version. Then we will discuss again. Go to here. Switch to classic version. Switch to classic version. One second. Go to plus in lightning version some confusion. Okay, I will just go and remove all these things. We'll discuss that. Classic version not yet discussed. We'll discuss. Employee. Where is my 1 second. What is this alignment? Everything we'll discuss. Okay. I will explain the concept in the classic version. You will easily understand. So first, what we did. See here. First, what we did. We created one company object, right? This is company object we created, right? Okay. And after that, what we did. We created one employee object. We created one employee object. So this is a company object, and this is nothing but employee object we created. Now, what is my requirement? My requirement is nothing but you have to make a relationship with this company is a parent and employee is a child, and employee is a child. Yes, then what we have to do is go to the employee. Okay, go to the employee, and you have to create one field. While creating a field, you have to select the data type. That data type is a lookup relationship. We are maintaining a relationship with this company object. Okay, now coming into the front end is nothing but go to the company tab. Go to the company tab. I am trying to creating one company record. Click on this new button. My company name is nothing but XYZ, and click on the save button. So we created one company record, right? For this company record, how many employees are there? See here. This is a parent and this is a child, right? So how many employees are there? There are no employees. This is child, we will call it as a related list. Suppose if you want to create an employee means you will just go to here this new employee button, click on this one, you will just go and create. That is one option. Otherwise, you will directly go to this employee tab and click on this new button. See here, company is there, right? Select this one, and what it will show all the companies. Click on select the company name, provide all these details, try to save this one. So here for this employee, the parent record is nothing but Infosys. Okay, click on this one, Infosys. For this Infosys, this is a parent one, right? Company, how many employees are there? Two employees are there. This is a parent and the employee is a child. Technically we will call it as a related list. One parent here, n number of childs here. One parent, n number of child here. We will create employee from this employee new employee button or this employee tab. Whenever we are maintaining the relationship, that time this employee tab they will hide. In the real time they will hide. They will not provide this many facilities. Only one option is, suppose if you want to create an employee for this particular company, they will provide this button only. Okay, they will hide this employee. They will hide this employee tab. They will hide this employee tab. Now coming into the lightning version. Coming into the lightning version. This is my company. Infosys is my company. So this is detail under detail page. Forgot about this. What is this detail page and all those things. So this is my company record. My company is nothing but Infosys. Under this company, how many childs are there? Child is nothing but employee. Okay, this is nothing but related list. How many employees are there? Two employees are there. For example, again go to here company. XYZ is one company. So under this XYZ company, how many childs are there? Go to related list. Only one child is there. How we will create a child? By using this new button we will create. By using this new button we will create, or you have to go to the employee tab. But in the real time they will hide the employee tab. They will hide the employee tab. They will not provide access the employee tab to the user. They will restrict. We will discuss that. So finally here company is a parent and employee is a child. So I will just go and create one company record. Go to here and click on the save button. This is my company record. In this company, how many childs are there? How many employee records are there? Go to related. There are no employees. Suppose if you want, you will just go and create. Click on this new button. While creating, what is the relationship field? That relationship field just now we created, right? That is nothing but company. It will show all the company records. You will just go and enter, click on the save button. Suppose if you want directly create one employee, go to here, app launcher, employees, and select employees. Click on employee and click on this new tab, new button, sorry, and provide all these details. Companies there, right? See, select, it will show all the companies. Which company you want to link this employee? You will just provide the employee details and click on the save button.
So I have one question here.
Yes, yes.
When you add a new employee, see when you are in a master file, you are able to create the child file. Same here, I'm able to see that in the employee tab, there is an option to add a new company. When you click on new, the
Yes.
company, when you click on the company, what is this new company? Will we be able to add a company as well?
Yes, we can add the companies here. I'm trying to creating one employee. While creating an employee, company means it will show all existing records. Okay. In addition to that, if you want to create a new company, click on this new company. Whenever you will click on the new company, what it will happen? It will go to the company tab only.
Got it. Okay. So from a master table, sorry, from the master table, the from the parent table, we can just add a employee record. Same way, from child table, we would be able to add a parent record as well, but still it will go to the company, like the
Yeah,
parent.
perfect.
Okay, makes
Yeah,
sense.
perfect. Any other questions? I will create. You have any confusions, let me know. Because of regular this is, I mean, generally we will link all the tables in the real time. So first we created two objects, right? First we created one employee company object, right? And after that employee object we created, right? Here there is no new concept, right? There is no new concept. Now my next target is what? My next target, I want to link these two tables. While linking we have to decide which is a parent and which is a child. Which is a parent and which is a child, we have to decide. We decide based on our requirement. We decide company is a parent and here employee is a child. We decided. Once we decided, what we have to do? Always go to the child object. From the child object only we will make a relationships. From the child object only we will make a relationship. Go to employee and go to this object. Okay, go to this object. Go to this object and go to fields and relationship sections. We created one field, right? This is company, right? Now I am trying to deleting this one. Okay, again we will create. Okay, we deleted this one. We deleted this field. Once we deleted, here deleted fields are there. Go to here deleted fields, erase this one, it will permanently delete. Okay, it will permanently delete. So we created two objects. Now our requirement is we want to link those two objects. While linking, we have to decide which is a parent and which is a child based on our requirement. Here we decided company is a parent and employee is a child. Now always go to the child object only. Remember this one, no need to confuse. Okay, now sometimes we will go to the company and we will try to make a relationship. It is not like that. Always go to the child object. From the child object only we have to make a relationship. Go to fields and relationship sections. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. So how to make a relationship means either lookup relationship or master detail relationship. Then click on this lookup relationship. Select this lookup relationship. Then click on this next button. So first step what we did? First step what we did? Select data type. Data type as a lookup relationship. First select the data type as a lookup relationship. Okay, lookup relationship. Then what is the second step? Second step, with which object you are maintaining. I mean, all these things we are doing from the employee object level. So now what is the next step? Then which object you are maintaining the relationship? Select parent object. What is a parent object here? See, go to here. I'm trying to selecting parent object. It will show all the objects. How many objects are there? It will show all the objects. I'm just selecting the company object. Go to here. This is my company. So we selected the company. Then click on the next button. Click on the next button. Then the third one is create a field. Create a field. So we are making a relationship between these two objects is nothing but we are trying to creating a field only. So we are making a relationship means we are making connection means what is that connection means one field. What is that field name? That field name I'm just making it as a company only. That field name I'm just making it as a company. Whatever the parent object there, right? The same name I am using. First select the lookup relationship, then select the object, then with which object you are maintaining. Yes, with the company object only, right? That's why we are giving the same name only. Same name only here we are giving. Then click on the next button. Suppose I will give different name. Just observe, I'm giving different name here. ABC. Okay, ABC. Forgot about this one. I'm just giving the ABC. Then what is the impact? You will understand. Click on the next button. Click on the next button. And click on next and click on next. This is related list, we'll discuss that. Click on the save button. So we created one field. My field name is nothing but ABC, and the API name is nothing but ABC underscore underscore C. It is a lookup with the company object. Now go to the front end. Here we provided my label name, the relationship field name as a ABC. My relationship field name as a ABC. Instead of company, instead of a parent name, I am giving different name. Suppose I will give the different name, then what will happen? What will happen is nothing but go to the employee tab. Go to here. Employee, go to here. Employees, and click on the new employee. You are the user. You are trying to creating one employee record. While creating an employee record, so you will just provide all these details. Then you will ask, what is this ABC? ABC is another object. I will not find that object, right? So suppose I will give company, then there is no confusion, right? There is no confusion. Suppose I will give the name as a company name, company, the field label as a company. Then you will understand already one object is their company. For that company, we are linking this object. Suppose I will give the ABC. The user will ask, boss, what is ABC? ABC is nothing but company. Then you have to give some meaningful name. Why you are giving the ABC only or some other name you are giving? I'm getting confused. So you have to provide the same name as a parent name. Now you understand, right? And the third step, why we have to give the same name as a parent name. So we are avoiding confusion for the users. So user will understand, yes, from this object, this is a parent object for this particular object. That's why we should give the same name only. So, but it's not mandatory. So, is it mandatory to give the same name as a parent name? Means it is not mandatory, but that is the best practice. Why means users they will avoid the confusion. We are avoiding the confusion for the users. So now what I will again I will go to this employee object. I will delete that one. Go to this edit object. Go to this edit object and go to this fields and relationship sections. Now again I am trying to deleting this field. Go to here. Delete this particular field. Delete this one. Once deleted, it will not permanently delete. Go to deleted fields, erase this one, it will permanently delete. Okay, it will permanently delete. Now again I am trying to creating a new field. My field name is nothing but company. Okay, my field name is nothing but company. I am following the same steps. Go to fields and relationship sections, click on this new button, click on this new button, look up relationship data type, click on the next. With which object you are trying to selecting? With the company object we are trying to selecting, right? Then click on the next button, and yes, you here you understand, right? Why we are providing the same name. Suppose we will give the different name while creating an employee record, user he will get confused, what is this parent, what is this lookup. So that's why the best practice is we should give always the parent name only, parent object name only.
So I
Click
have a question.
any question. Yes.
Yeah, I have a question here. So, say for example, the company object has while we are creating the company object, the first one is not the company name. Instead, we have given a company number or something, and
Mm,
one of the another field is the company name. We have added one more custom field is called company name.
yeah.
Can we make a relationship to the custom
No,
field?
no, 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 no,
We
no,
can.
no.
Okay,
Your question is it's a valid question. She is saying I am trying to creating one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company. Okay. While creating, we will make this one as a auto number. Okay. Auto number. Company name is a auto number, or company number is a auto number. So and after that I created one field. That field is nothing but company name. Now I will go to the employee and I will just make a relationship. While making a relationship, is there any chance to link to the custom field? No. So whatever the first field is there, right, while creating an object, whatever the first field is there, right, for that field only the system automatically connect. Okay.
got it. Okay.
So click on next, click on next, click on next, and this is a related list. I will show this one. Finally try to save this one. So we created one company field. API name is nothing but company underscore underscore C. Lookup is nothing but this one. Now go to the company tab, go to your company. I am trying to creating one record. Go to your company, companies, click on this new button, and my record name is nothing but company one. Here you have to I will just go give it as a take him, and click on the save button. We created one company record, right? Now go to the employee, go to employee. See, employee, click on this employees, click on this new button. See what she is asking. Our question is this one. It is not linked, not it. Go to here, employee tab, employees, click on this new button. It's not refresh. Take this one. Yeah. Here our question is company is there, right? Here whenever you will observe, whenever I will click, it is showing the company name only, right? Company name only, right? For example, company email is there. Shall I make a relationship from this object to company email field? Me no. Whatever the first field is there in the object, whatever the first field, okay, I'm trying to creating a custom object. In that custom object, what is the first field? Okay, name or number. For that field only the system automatically make connection. Suppose in the company object one email field is there, I want to make a relationship to that particular field. No, it is not like that. Here you have to observe, this is a company name. Here it is showing automatically from employee, it will automatically connect to the company. Yes, whenever it is connected to the company, it will show company names only. It will show company names only. For example, ABC is one company, some other details are there, some other details are there. And now I am trying to creating one employee records here. I am trying to creating one employee record here. While creating one employee record, so here question is, shall we make this email field relationship? No, it is not like that. Always to the first field only. The system always create a relationship to the first field only. Okay, and any questions on this one?
Yes, I do have one more. Sorry, one more questions. Didn't we delete the company object? How we are able to see the already existing value as well? Because
We'll
right now,
discuss that.
okay.
We'll discuss that. That is separate concept. In next session, we'll discuss that. Okay. And any other questions now coming into employee here? We created one employee record. See, this is one employee record. Related list is there, right? Related list is there, right? Not for this one. Go to company. This is company related list is there, right? See, this is an employee, this is a related list. Last screen here it is coming, right? Whenever we are trying to creating a field, whenever we are trying to creating a field, we are getting last screen, right? That is nothing but related list. That label name is nothing but employee, right? So company is a parent. For that company one related list is there. That related list name is nothing but employee. Instead of related list we will call it as a employee. See here, this is a relate, sorry, instead of related list we will call it as a child. Instead of related list we will call it as a child. Here company is a parent and related list is nothing but employee. Related list is nothing but employee, or we will call it as a child is a employee. So company is a parent, this is detail is nothing but parent record. For this parent record, what are the child records? See, one child object is nothing but employee. How many child records we will create? Go to here, go to here, enter all these details, go to here, click on the save button. Yes, we will create one child record. If you want, you will just go and create one more child record. Yes, go to here, you will just go and create any number of child record. So take a company is a parent record. For this parent record, what are the related list? Related list means childs. What are the child? Employee is one child. So in employee child, how many records are there? Two records are there. Like that we can create any number of records. Like that we can create any number of record. For example, go to here, Infosys is a parent company. Infosys is a parent. Then for this parent, what are the childs or what are the related list? Where we will find? Go to the related list tab. See here, employee is a related list. Under employee related list, how many records are there? There are no records. You will find, you will just go and create here. You want, you will just go and create. So here company is a parent and the related list is nothing but employee. Under related list we can create a number of employees. So finally we did like this. Finally we created one company record. Company is a parent. Company is a parent. Okay, company is a parent. How we will find this is a parent is nothing but, see here, under detail, this is a company rate, this is nothing but parent. Now for this company, how many childs are there? How many childs are there? Childs are nothing but related list. We will call it as a related list. Under related list, how many related list are there? Here only one employee is there. Employee is there. Yes, employee. Under employee, how many records are there? How many records are there? We can create any number of records. Company is a parent, and a related list are the related list is nothing but childs are nothing but one of the child is nothing but employee. Under employee we can create any number of records here. This is a parent and this is a child. This is a child. How we link these two objects? By creating one relationship field where we created under employee we created that relationship field name is nothing but company only. That relationship field is nothing but company only. So any questions on this one? Okay, before going to any questions, this concept we will call it as a relationships. Okay, this concept we will call it as a relationships. Relationships is nothing but it's a general concept in any programming language. This concept is there. How to link two objects or how to link two tables. That is technically we will call it as a how to make relationship between those two objects. How to connect whatever the terminology is. Finally, we will call it as a how to make relationship between two objects. Okay, first of all first of all how many types of relationship is nothing but one to one relationship. Then the second one is one to many relationship. Then the third one is many to many relationship. And the fourth one is many to one relationship. Many to one relationship. And the fifth one is self relationship. Self relationship. And the sixth one is sixth one is hierarchy relationship. Hierarchy relationship. In Salesforce these many relationships are there. Relationship is a general concept. Not only in Salesforce, any programming language there is a relationship is there. Two tables are there. How to link those two tables? They will use their mechanism. In Salesforce, how we are using this mechanism, that we are discussing. So first of all, what is one-to-one relationship? Okay, before going to one-to-one relationship, first of all, what is a relationship is nothing but connecting 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 two tables. Okay, connecting two tables, that is nothing but relationship. How many types of relationship in the Salesforce is nothing but one-to-one relationship? First of all, what is one-to-one relationship? First of all, what is the concept? Coming into general concept, in India, one person, one Aadhaar card, right? One person, one PAN number, right? In US, one US citizen, one SSN number, right? One parent and only one child. That is general concept. Okay, one parent and one parent and only one child. For one general concept is for one person only one thing. For one person only one thing. And in India, for one person one Aadhaar card, one PAN number. In US, one person one SSN number. So the coming into the Salesforce, one parent, one parent and only one child record. One child record. One parent and only one child record. Suppose I am trying to creating more than one child record, then the system it should display an error message. So one to one relationship is nothing but one parent. Under one parent we have only one child record. One child record. For example, go to here. For example, go to here. 1 second. Go to here. So I'm trying to creating one company. Go to here, company and Paytm. Click on the save button. We created one company record, right? For this company record, how many employees are there? Suppose I want to create employees. Go to related list, employees. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. See here, enter employee details and click on the save button. Click on the save button. So we created one employee record, right? One parent and one employee, right? Suppose I am trying to creating one more employee, then what it will happen? The system it should display an error message. The system it should display an error message. That is nothing but one to one relationship. That is nothing but one to one relationship. One parent and only one child record. One child record. That is the concept. How to implement this one to one relationship means we'll discuss going forward. Okay, in the next session we will complete this one. Now coming into here, one to many relationship. Okay, coming into here, one to many relationship. What is the concept of one to many relationship? One parent and n number of employees. N number of employees. One parent and n number of employees. For company, Infosys company, how many employees are there? N number of employees are there, right? That is nothing but one to many relationship. For one parent, n number of child. Suppose for one parent, only one child. Suppose I am trying to creating the second is child, then system it will not allow. That is nothing but one-to-one relationship. Now coming into one-to-many relationship, one parent and n number of child. N number of child means how many childs? It doesn't matter. Any number of childs. How we are achieving this one? How we are achieving this one? Just now we created one lookup field, right? By using this one, we are achieving one-to-many relationship, right? By using lookup relationship, right? By using lookup relationship, okay? By using lookup relationship, for example, go to here. This is Infosys company. This is one company record. For this company record, how many child records I will create? N number of child records we will create, right? So go to new button and I am trying to creating n number of childs, right? So how we are linking, how we are achieving this one in the Salesforce, how we are achieving one-to-many relationship? By using lookup relationship only. By using lookup relationship and master detail relationship. Master detailed relationship. By using lookup relationship and master detail relationship, okay, we will achieve one-to-many relationship. But what is the difference between lookup relationship and master detail relationship? Is nothing but when we delete parent record, then child record will not delete. Child record will not delete. But here, when we delete parent record, then child record will also delete automatically. So today we discuss one-to-many relationship. First of all, what is the one-to-many concept? One parent and n number of child records. How we are going to achieve in the Salesforce? By creating either lookup relationship field or master detail relationship. When we will go with the lookup relationship? When we delete a parent record, then I don't want to delete a child record. Then lookup relationship. So today we discussed lookup relationship. So what about master detail relationship? Whenever we delete a parent record, then child record will also delete automatically. Both cases are one-to-many relationship only. So one-to-many concept is one parent and n number of childs. So before that, one-to-one is there. That one also we'll discuss in the next session. Remaining thing we'll discuss in the next session. This is for today. Have any questions? We'll go one by one.